Greetings, folks, from Mare Island this morning. I am going to take a walk on the San Pablo Bay Trail, which is pretty flat, and maybe we'll have a few birds to watch, maybe a little bit of wildlife, I'm not sure. It's not too hot today, and I thought I would get out while the weather was good. There's a view of the trail if I go that way. And I think today I'm going to go this way. I haven't been this way in the past. A long time ago I came out here and walked the other direction. If you remember, or maybe you don't know, Mare Island is an old shipyard that was very active during World War II. It is not an active shipbuilding yard anymore, but there are buildings out here that are renovated and used for many other reasons at this point. Mare Island is in a transition from being a very much needed shipyard during World War II and afterwards, and now is just having a boom of all sorts of businesses and even residences. There are hiking trails that I've done out here in the past. There's a noisy bird. One of them being the Shoreline Heritage Preserve trail that has the Spirit Ship as one of my favorite destinations. I have not been on this trail in years. Well, let's check it out. It's a nice day. This is Easter weekend, and besides hiking, I would like to maybe walk around Mare Island a little bit, go to the coffee shop, and go to the art studios. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is nice to see right away. Lots of birds. Very pretty little pond. Oh, great. Nice trail, nice views. Okay, I'll cut in again when there is something more to see and talk about. Well, to my left, the views are opening up into a vast meadowland. Everything is nice and green over there. And of course, to my right is this chain link and barbed wire fence. And again, this is all part of Mare Island, so there are certain parts of the property that are off limits, no trespassing, and that sort of thing. Okay, looking over this direction, I am starting to get views of the San Pablo Bay. Let's see if we can get a little closer and get even a better view. Here's a good stopping point with 3 signs that talk about the area, but really what I'm more interested in right now is just a good view, let me stand up here, of the San Pablo Bay. That is the bay that goes into the San Francisco Bay. So yeah, nice views here this morning, beautiful day. What an easy, peaceful, and relaxing walk. Even though I was walking quickly, it was still very relaxing. And I'm already back to the beginning. This took a little over an hour at a good clip. And I'm back to the parking lot and ready to get on to the main part of the island, do a little walk there, visit the art studio and the coffee shop, etc. Okay, I took a little drive down to the Mare Island Art Studios area, and there's another sign. They're not quite open yet, they're getting ready, so I'm too early, which means I'm going to mess around a little bit at the waterfront go get some coffee, and just enjoy the beautiful day here. Isn't that coffee shop a beautiful building? And it is gorgeous inside with the wood, all the wood fixtures, and they've just fixed it up so beautifully. There are several rooms, so you can hang out in one of 3 or 4 of them with comfortable furniture. I just love it here. You know, I have never walked into the backyard. Let's go check it out. Okay, well, there you go. Another beautiful area to sit and relax. What a peaceful setting. There are so many things I like about Mare Island. This is definitely one of them. These are the art quilts at the Fiber Expressions exhibit. Here is the beautiful quilt that is part of the poster and the advertisement for this exhibit. Yes, that is a quilt. I love the colors. I love everything about this quilt. Let's get a little bit closer. You can see how traditional quilting is given a shout out with those triangles up top. And yet all of this is much more modern. This was a group effort with the ship and a unique way of portraying some water and a big fish, and of course the bird. This area is known for its birds. Let's give you some overview of the rest of the quilts. That one is a chapel on the island. This is part of San Francisco, as you might recognize, the Golden Gate Bridge. This is the Palace of Fine Art. So local nature, beautiful oak tree. A picture of a winery. Coit Tower in San Francisco. Another nature quilt. Really like these too. Shipwrecked boat on Point Reyes. And a California quail. Beautiful. Here's Lombard Street in San Francisco, the most crooked street in the world. This is a 5-piece quilt. Different artists contributed to this one. And this one is Mare Island Shipyard, past, present, and future. This is a portrayal of an old farm in Petaluma. Conservatory of Flowers in San Francisco. Here are the coal sheds on Mare Island, and I believe we are going to walk over there right after we look at these quilts. The coal sheds are renovated, old buildings, and are now, I think it's a brewery, a restaurant, glass blowing place, etc. We're back to this one. Here are the fabric postcards that are part of the fundraiser. There's one of mine. Another one. And another one. And there are many, many different styles in here. think I skipped a quilt, so we'll go over there and check that out. This is the old Bale Grist Mill, which is up towards, actually it's in St. Helena, and I've done some hiking around that old mill with a working water wheel. A beautiful landscape quilt here. One of the quilts that I looked at mentioned or actually portrayed the coal sheds, and that's where I am now. These have been renovated into some cool spots, a brewery, restaurant, a glass blowing place. I think there's a gym and some other things. This is a cool mural right here. Very bright, very colorful. I like it. And just to give you a look around, a mixture of old and new buildings. Actually, in this spot, it's mostly old. Okay, we are looking at Rhino, a junk metal sculpture right across from that big ship. And this big guy is made from all kinds of pieces of junk metal from, looks like a lot of them are car parts or truck parts or something like that, but all welded together to make this big boy. Okay. I like it. This is a gorgeous ship, isn't it? Another thing of beauty because of the size and the labor that went into it. Let's go find out the name and when it was built. Here we go. It is the C.A. Thayer. It was one of 123 three-masted schooners built on the West Coast for the lumber trade. Wow. Early 1900s. Amazing. Its final trip was in 1950. There's the back of the coal sheds. This piece of art is called Duality. Very interesting. And there's one more up here. Okay, this tiger is called Abhaya, symbolizing resilience and forward momentum amidst ecological challenges. Wow, very cool. We'll walk just a little further. This is called the Hercules. Love it. It looks like it's in great condition. Wow, it's been around the world. And here's another tugboat called Eppleton Hall. It's hard to see and I can't get past that chain link fence. Beyond that is an old paddle boat that Lee and I explored from the outside while we were riding our bikes here a while back. I think this is the end of the journey for today. There's the old way into Mare Island. That blue bridge over there. and a look around. One last time before I get ready to take off. So with this view, I'm going to say thanks for coming along with me today to Mare Island, hiking the San Pablo Bay Trail, checking out the Fiber Expressions exhibit, going to the coffee shop, and now visiting the coal sheds. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.